it's all over. That's the power steering pump.
Yeah. This the power steering hose?
Yeah, that's the power steering pump.
Here you go. Just put your finger on the power steering.
I know.
You can feel it. It's vibrating right through the hose. It's over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can definitely feel that through there. That's knocking like crazy right there at the pump. That's what I told him that. He didn't believe me.
It's coming right through the hose. I can feel it down here.
Yeah. Alright. So watch, I'm gonna take off the belt and I guarantee you the noise will go away. Alright, let's take off the belt and we'll take another video, but you can definitely feel it in that hose.
Yeah, you feel